What's up guys, another HBX, let's get into it. Welcome back to the channel guys, and today we are going to do another unboxing by Haiboxing. This is the FireBolt guys, it's a 1/12 scale brushless buggy, off-road desert buggy, or truck is what they call it. They say it's 14 plus years, that means it's fast. And yeah guys, so this is the 901A, and it does have oil-filled shocks, really nice in terms of durability, and I can't wait to take it out. So yeah, let's get it out of the box. The knife. So this came in from AliExpress, took about a month to get here. Let's quickly look at what we find inside. So as we open it up guys, we get a instruction manual, or just some information on the LED lights on the transmitter and the car. Got a decal sticker sheet. Let's take this bad boy out. The guys, empty box. Oh, it's a beauty guys. It's a good size as well. Oh, beautiful. What else we get inside? So there's a little goodies bag again guys. It seems like it's got the rear mounted wing and the charger with some extra body clips in there. And then we've got that standard Haiboxing controller as well. We'll look at it now. So there's the controller. Alright guys, you need 3 AA batteries. Let's quickly put them in now. Let's see if we've got power. Oh yes, the power is there. So this controller, you've got a steering trim, you've got a steering dual rate and a speed controller as well. I'm going to put it to the maximum speed right from the get-go. Yeah, guiding blind mode and an on and off button. Alright, there's the controller. Very nice guys, good tension on it. It doesn't have a foam wheel, but yeah, it's got good grip. Very good grip, good tension on the throttle and reverse. And you've got that air vents here for hot summer days. Really think it's a nice controller guys, it works really well. Let's quickly look at the vehicle guys. So we've got nice plush wheels. Very nice. Take that off. What is nice about this model is that the lights are already mounted on this one, whereas with the other two Haiboxing, these two ones here, they did not have the lights already installed and mounted. You needed to do that extra, so this is quite nice. Well, there you can see guys is my LiPo battery that was included with this vehicle. It is a 7.4 volt 1600 milliamp hour 2S LiPo battery, 30C discharge rate. Let's quickly look what inside guys. You've got your light, so that light ribbon cable is going to power on these lights on the front of the vehicle here. And you've got a steering receiver guys, you've got a ESC receiver combo. Alright guys, and then you've got your brushless motor with a heatsink. You've got oil filled shocks, no sway bars on this one. You've got CVDs on the front, and it looks like normal dog bones at the rear. And you've also got your on and off button on the side there. So what I'm going to do is I'm quickly going to do the sticker and decal kit for this, put the rear mounted wing on, and we'll see you now. So I've put all the stickers on that I wanted to. I've put the rear wing on. What do you guys think? I think it looks awesome, eh guys? A real sand rocking type of a vehicle. I can't wait to get this out there and give it a nice smash. So let's quickly switch it on guys. I've already got the controller on. Alright. Okay guys, let's give it the beans and see how it goes. Alright guys. Right, this one really looks like it's going to have a great time bashing, guys. Can't wait to get this out there. So without further ado, let's get out and let's go check what it can do. Alright guys, we are now on location and we are going to take this little HBX 901A and put us through its paces and see what it can do. Great location here, guys. So the RC Club of Taranaki is planning to build a sealed track, racetrack here, and that's why it's so nice and flat. Look at that beautiful view of the mountain. So yeah, it's a little off-road buggy, and I'm looking forward to see what it can do. So let's give it a rip. It's running a 2S 1600 milliamp hour battery that obviously came with it. So let's see what it can do. It's a little ripper, guys. Look at it. Really feels alive, guys. Four-wheel drive. Oh, it's epic. Take it around there. Oh yeah, good speed, good speed. Nice and hard here, guys. Must say, does struggle to keep its grip a little bit. See if we can ramp it. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Keep the hanky. There's a river. Beautiful that looks. Right, let's see what we can do. There's an RC track there, guys, so I think let's go see what this little buggy can do. I know it's not a race and it's more of a basher, but I mean, we are here. Let's use it. Oh, it's really fun, guys. Oil filled shock. As you can see, it just jumps around so nicely. Right, so this is our nice little track. Let's give an overview of it. Oh, nice. So there's the RC stand. I'm gonna go to the starting line, which is about here. Alright guys, so let's see what we can do. Oh, oh. That's the worst part. No marshals. Right, on the track. Let's try not to spin out. It's obviously not made for this, guys. Give it the beans. Must be painful to watch me lap this. Wait. It's a tough little truck, guys. Wait. This looks like a ramp to me. Whoa, nice and capable, guys. Loves this terrain, guy. Oh, trick. Awesome, guys. As soon as stuff gets a little bit more loose, the surface isn't so hard underneath this car. This car really is awesome. Okay. So we said this looked like a ramp to us, hey? Right, so this looks like a ramp. I think there's one thing for us to do. And give it the beat! Awesome. Whoop. Oh, flat battery. That's boring. We had a low voltage cutoff. It struggles a little bit with grip on the racing surface. But again, guys, this is not a racing buggy. This is more of a type of a basher buggy. And I must say, we still got some power. Ah, low voltage cut off again. Oh, how awesome is the light? 6 lights total. I think it looks epic. Okay, so let's check out what the top speed of this FireBolt is. As you can see, guys, the GPS is registering my walking. It is set to max. So let's see what it can do. Right, let's see what it can do. Right, let's bring it back. Whee! Okay, another one down. Okay, guys, so let's see what we registered. And that is a 40.1 kilometers per hour. So what do I think of this? I think if you haven't already, go buy yourself one. If you want to do skate park bashing, you probably not want to use this, as obviously I don't think it's going to be great for the skate park. Its durability might not be so great for that purpose. But I think for everything else, guys, this is really, really nice. Right, guys, and that was a test of the 903, or the 9, I think it's a 903A HBX buggy. And I must honestly say, guys, I'm impressed with it. As soon as the gravel started to get a little bit more loose and not as hard on the underside of it like it is on the racing track, this thing really started to fly and get into its own. I think it's a brilliant car, guys, and yeah, I think it's going to be very durable since it has got the HBX name on it. And yeah, I can highly recommend it. It's really good. Everything is still straight, guys. As you can see, everything is still straight. Rear dog bones, CVDs, front. Awesome little vehicle, guys. And yeah, I haven't taken it to the skate park. I just don't feel like this is the type of car that you take to a skate park. And yeah, I can highly recommend it. If you like this video, guys, please consider subscribing and like the video if you did. And also make sure that you are tuned in for the next couple of videos, guys, as we've got some good reviews coming. My name is John from TechSpace, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.